Gavana Kawira Mwangaza ni arimi gukinya mbere ya kamiti ya ngwataniro ya seneti na ari akwirigiri gukinya gucokia biuria biegie niki ni untu akurega mbundi ya wandikani eandika ariti ngugi 550 na mbecha ikurukitwe kirimba njeti. Mwangaza agotumite county secretary uria utigukari na kagita ga kotho mbere ya seneti nyuma ya maratathi jaria okamatite kuregewa ni untu jatigukari na kirore kuririkana. Mwangaza aregere gwikinya mbere ya kamiti iu akuigwa mutongereria wa mbundi ya wandikani niwe Virginia Miriti atethirwa ari gikarone kiu. Boniface Mwongera na agutwambiriria na ripoti ije.
Basically, I think what we can do
na uria Gavana Mwangaza kwirigiri kwithire kinya mbere ya kamiti ya seneti orumwe ngwataniro mongaithanio bwa ngugi atikinyire hindi ithanaku kulingana na ntu bawe bara bejere na baturoma tukabogire marito jao ibatwirire gavana no kali mweja hindi akome CPA Virginia teja kinyawe ebera endiu kamiti nitire na mbere bakwa CS Atheru hamwe minister Kinda bwana Abraham Otwiri beku hindi ndekithana na shitithirire akema baturona maratasi jao jena thina.
Looking at the documents, it has not even been signed, so it cannot be tabled by the county secretary because
they don't even have the voting leader.
Mbere barekero bana akebendera kumenya thine Gavana Kawira Mwangaza na Board ya Meru Public Service Board imbio hari athero ko wakanya agitukirwe gatigati na korwa kirereo au mwankara intereshonde ikethro shikinyithia.
There is a lot of corruption in that county public service board, and there are allegations that people are being asked even for 400,000 for these kind of jobs.
Chair, with due respect and your kind permission,
We want in this forum to be with the governor and the county public service board so that they can also, there are some allegations which are being leveled to the county public service board which are very weighty, so that we can also hear how they are going to exonerate themselves from that allegation.
thank you very much.
Chair, I was saying the same, that I think that's why from the word go I said, is this official? Because the county secretary cannot continue tabling accusation against the board who are not here, the governor who is not here. Let's release them.
Tere kithururi kia wandikani na tonya 550 tutumiritwe bodi ya kuandikana ndene county Meru na Gavana Kawira Mwangaza na wachumiria wotingo ikunenkanirwa bunge county Meru nyo eshumiria mukararia wibekire budget ya wandikani ibu kithuru bikiarirwa kirikaro kiu kingi na nyume kimwe kithuru ikinyira mothia kuma ntuku enarwa Clark Jacob Kirari CPA Virginia Miriti mwa Gavana Kawira Mwangaza na ndore cio bakethura baikinyithia mbere kamiti ya chute kuja kuthongono kumekania kwena uma kiri nteto ya wandikani ngiripotera Ntoshero TV kumanye karone bya bunge kingina ngine na kine kimusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mwongera.